वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आऊँ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट रोल से रिलेटेड जॉब्स। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स है, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द जॉब पोस्ट। But before that, for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI developer, SQL developer, data scientist, data analyst, or business analyst role. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, देन सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है, जहाँ पे मैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, देन फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, टू चेक दैट। और आपके पास कोई फीडबैक है, कोई सजेशन है, और यूड लाइक टू गेट सम असिस्टेंस, देन यू कैन रीच मी आउट थ्रू माय मेल आईडी एंड माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स। ऑल द लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट विद योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स, एंड यू कैन आल्सो शेयर योर फीडबैक और सजेशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this.
इन लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और फॉर इंटर्न प्रोफाइल. First company in the list is Amazon, hiring for business analyst intern, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Education pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher in quantitative technical fields such as computer science, information management system, statistics. What you'll do, this is an analytical position that provides supply chain operation support. This position will work with multiple business teams to develop and maintain ad hoc regular business reports and to work on relevant analytical supports. We are looking for customer focused, detail oriented, self-motivated, hands-on business analysts, BI products development and maintenance, customer interaction and feature mapping, also ad hoc analysis to investigate system decisions and metric reports. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you need to have good command over SQL, Tableau, Excel, QuickSight or other data visualization products. Analytical and problem solving skills and good logical thinking. Basic understanding on at least one scripting language, that is Python. Excellent English written skills. Ability to handle multiple completing priorities in a fast-paced environment. And you should be pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher in quantitative technical field. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link that is available in the description box of this video, and you can go through with more details about the job, and you can also apply for the job post. Let's move to the second job. Company name is CLIXLOGIX, hiring for associate business analyst, and they're offering you remote job opportunity. Experience 1 to 3 years. Salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum estimated. Education BE, BTech or degree in quantitative field. Roles and responsibilities: creating concept design to product requirements to inform of visual prototype, wireframe, SRS stock, analyze market competition and position the product line so that it appeals to end consumers. Good to have experience in handling Zoho products. Should be aware of latest trends on mobile, web UI, UX design and navigation. Collaborate with the client to gather requirements and convert them into functional specifications. You also need to conduct functional technical feasibility study for new products and services. Work closely with the design, development, QA and system teams to attain and meet project targets internally. So these are some common roles and responsibilities you need to perform as an associate business analyst over here. And if I talk about technical skills for this job post, understanding of wireframing tools and trends as well as mock-up development technologies, basic knowledge of UX methodologies, approaches and trends, and the ability to translate user problems. Should have excellent communication, documentation and presentation skills, and you should be realistic, turning ambiguous requirements into more concrete and actionable items. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job. Third company is Accenture, well-known consulting firm, hiring for business analyst, and experience they require 3 years. Location is in Bangalore. Salary would be 8 to 12 lakhs per annum. Education, 15 years of full-time education is preferred, and basically for this post you need to have 3 years of experience. About the role, as a business analyst, you'll analyze an organization and design its process and systems, assessing the business models and its integration with technology. You'll assess the current state, identify customer requirements, and define the future state on business solutions. Your role will involve researching, gathering, and synthesizing information to direct effective decision making and problem solving. You also need to contribute in providing solutions to work-related problems, conduct thorough analysis of business process, system, and workflows to identify areas of improvement, and create detailed documentation including business requirements, functional specifications, and process flow. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if I'll talk about technical skills, strong understanding of business analysis methodologies and techniques. The candidate should have minimum of 3 years of experience in business requirement, a strong communication and interpersonal skills to effectively collaborate with stakeholders, experience in conducting a stakeholder interview and workshops to gather requirements. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is ENACTON, hiring for associate business analyst, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations in Ahmedabad, education bachelor's degree in business administration, marketing, communication or related field, and salary they are offering you up to 6 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: prepare comprehensive product requirement documents, functional requirements documents, flow diagrams, and detailed execution plans. Conduct requirement alignment calls with clients to ensure clear understanding and agreement on project scopes. Convert inquiries into confirmed client thorough effective communication and understanding of their needs. Work closely with developers, breaking down requirements into tasks that are easy to understand and develop. Oversee project progress from lead status to completion, ensuring all requirements are met and clients are satisfied. And handle projects from various industries, understanding different business and operational flows. And for this job role, you need to have good command over some tools like Miro, MS Visio, Figma, Adobe XD, Excel, PowerPoint. And if I talk about technical skills, certification in sales, business development, or related areas can be added advantage. Proven experience as business analyst or in similar role. Familiarity with tools like MS Visio, Figma, and Adobe XD, Excel, PowerPoint. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is WEBOPTIMIXATION, hiring for junior business analyst, job locations in Ahmedabad, experience they are looking for freshers, and education bachelor's degree in any discipline. Salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: client requirements and gathering, engage with clients to understand their needs, objectives, and challenges. Documentation: create and maintain comprehensive functional specification documents. Apply your UX and UI skills to ensure user-friendly designs and interface that meet client expectations. Analyze client problems and propose effective solutions to address their needs. Assist in the planning, execution, and monitoring of projects to ensure timely and successful delivery. And if we'll talk about technical skills, you need to have good understanding of UX and UI principles, analytical and problem solving skills, ability to work collaboratively in a team environment, detailed oriented with strong organization skills. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is Novartis, hiring for business analyst, experience 2 to 5 years, job locations in Bangalore, salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, education degree in life science industry or in quantitative field. And as a business analyst, what you need to do, you need to review and analyze client requirements, gather in understanding and documents to business workflows and or requirements, design and develop customer applications, features, and integration of data sets, ensuring client satisfaction and one-time delivery. Responsible for providing reporting and supports, development, detailed documentation and specification, test plans, and user guides. Recommend improvement and alternative solutions to resolve problems, a strong analytical problem solving, interpersonal skills, excellent project management capabilities so that deadlines are met while retaining consistency, and adopting an ability to learn quickly and apply knowledge. And technical skills, you need to have good command over Excel, PowerPoint to create dashboards, good knowledge of ETL tool like Alteryx, Data, Python, good knowledge of visualization platforms like Power BI, analytical conceptual understanding, trending, SWOT analysis, good understanding of VB and SQL. And if you okay with job location, and if you do not have, if you have experience of 2 to 5 years, then you can apply for the job post, and you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Next job is for the company name Pretto, hiring for business analyst intern, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in business administration, economics, finance, or data analytics. Salary would be as per industry standard. So if you're looking to start your career as a business analyst intern profile, then you can apply for the job post because they are hiring currently freshers. Roles and responsibilities: communicate data insights and recommendations to stakeholders in a clear, concise, and actionable manner. Stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies in data science and analytics. contribute to the continuous improvement of the data infrastructure and analytical process. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you need to have great problem solving as analytical capabilities. Business analyst will help extract insight from consumers, sales, and other data available. Good working knowledge of tools like Excel, Google Sheets. Good understanding of database and SQL is must. Good at programming experience with Python or R in an added advantage. A strong understanding of statistics and structural approach to problem solving. Ability to work well with the team's role would require working closely with multiple stakeholders, and you need to be self-driven, thorough, and meticulous. This role involves working with large amount of data which are used to take critical decisions by our client. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post. And if you want to start a career as a fresher in business analyst, the business analytics domain, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next job in the list is BT, British Telecom, hiring for business analyst, and locations in Gurgaon, experience 1 to 3 years. Education, bachelor's degree in business admin, information system or related. Salary would be competitive. Responsibilities: implementing QLIC reports and dashboards to provide insights into sales, resource utilization, demand and supply, and many other metrics. Using Power Automate extensively for SharePoint reporting. Supporting and refining technical solutions for several project units within BT security. Presenting objects to stakeholders and providing continuous supports based on feedback. Development and production of critical and ad hoc data analysis as per business requirement. Support variety of activities, small projects, data-driven dashboards, data analytics, including data crunching, processing, and engineering. And for this job post, you need to have certain key skills. These are development of new and existing reports with SQL, writing medium to complex queries, supporting variety of activities, small projects, data-driven dashboards, data analytics, presenting projects to stakeholders and providing continuous supports, and analyze data and preparing dashboards using macros in Excel. And if you have required skills and you're looking to start your career in business analytics domain with the experience of 1 to 3 years, you can apply for the job post, and you can click on this link to apply for this job post. Ninth job in the list is Zomega Tech, hiring for business analysts for 2 locations, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Experience 1 to 3 years. Salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. And for this job role, your education qualification should be bachelor's degree or master's degree with MBA, preferred from reputed university with excellent English communication skills. What do you need to do as a business analyst? Liaising with clients and the management to gather requirements and consulting, liaising with the internal technical team wherever necessary and get things done, preparing and required specification documents, business analysis and system analysis, define business process flows and workflows, effectively communicate and apply project standards and manage resources in accordance with the project. You need to have 1 to 3 years of experience in relevant technology and industry, and successfully deliver high quality service on schedule and match the client expectation effectively. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And if I'll talk about key skills, you need to have good experience of MS SQL Server, Oracle, T-SQL, and PL SQL queries. Software development, lifecycle, dependability and reliability. You should have good written communication skills, also good oral communication skills. You should be punctual in the time with the time management, initiatives, and Jiva product functionality and best practices. And if you're interested for the job post, what you can do is you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. So friends, these are 9 jobs for this week for the role of business analyst, and I hope you like this video because I have tried to include the job post for experience, for freshers, and for intern positions as well. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section, and if you want any specific video related to any specific job post, you can also reach me out through my mail ID, or you can also share your concerns, the feedback as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.